Welcome to the guided meditation. My name is Robert. This is the Infinite Cup. Here we begin sitting with a straight spine. The chin is level, palms upturned. Let's breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Find your resting place. We're going to count to the count of 5, bringing your awareness to the belly. With each inhale, expanding the belly like a balloon. With each exhale, drawing that navel in closer and closer. Just do 5 breaths at your own pace. If your mind begins to wander, just bring it back. Always back to the breath. On 4, inhale. Exhale, really drawing that navel in. Last one, inhale. And exhale, drawing that awareness. Alright, now we are going to begin what's called the full yogic breath. We're going to inhale to the count of 5, hold to the count of 5, and exhale to the count of 5. I'm going to guide you with each breath. Take your time. Don't forget about that spine, nice and straight. Keep the chin level, palms upturned. Ready? Begin. Inhale, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Hold at the top. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Exhale. 2, 4, and 5. Inhale. 3, 4, and 5. Hold at the top. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 3, 4, 5. Hold at the top. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2 more rounds. 3, 4, 5. Holding at the top now. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 3, 4, 5. Inhaling. 3, 4, and 5. Hold at the top. 3, 4, 5. Last one. Exhale. 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Bring the awareness to the nostrils now. Hold your awareness there at the nostrils. Feel the air enter the nose. Exhale. Drawing that navel towards the spine. We're still doing the full yogic breath. Inhale through the nose always. Exhale through the nose. Really feel that navel coming towards your spine. Inhale through the nose. exhale through the nose. Always bring your awareness back to the breath. Last one, inhale. Exhale. All right, now we're going to go to the count of 6. I'm going to guide you on each breath. Take your time. Remember to keep the spine straight. Here we go. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hold at the top. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Holding at the top now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Holding at the top. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Holding at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Holding at the top. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slowly bring the awareness to the abdominal muscles once again. Feel the air come into the belly. This full yogic breath is like a circle. When you draw the oxygen in, bring it all the way to the top, nice and slow. As you exhale, coming back, drawing the navel in, making that full rotation all the way down to the base of your spine. Inhale, drawing the energy up. Once you reach the top, exhale. That full circular motion. Inhale, the circle is drawing forward on the way up. Drawing the energy all the way into the crown chakra. Hold it at the top just for a moment, then exhale. Bring the awareness on the belly. Inhale, one more. All the way to the top of the head. And exhale. We're going to do one more count to the count of 7. I'm going to guide you on every breath. Do it with me. Fully engage your spine. Make sure the chin is level. Palms are upturned. And let's begin. Inhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Inhale. Are you with me? 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top now. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Inhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Nice, long, deep, slow breaths. Inhale. 4, 5. Keep going. 6 and 7. Holding at the top now. Your lungs are filled. The spine is nice and long. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. Drawing that navel in. Get every last ounce out of your lungs. 5, 6, and 7. Inhale. Come on. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 more rounds. You got this. Inhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Exhale. Nice and slow. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Last round. Are you ready? You can do it. Inhale. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Holding at the top. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Last one. You got this. Exhale. Let it out. 4, 5, 6, 7. Really draw your awareness within. If you feel any lightheadedness, it's okay. Relax. It's very normal. You have oxygen within your entire body. We've really brought in so much energy. Really hold it in your being. Use this energy to transform yourself so you can share that light with others. Slowly coming back to yourself. Not trying to control the breath in any way. Just simply observe. Take this time that you've dedicated for yourself to just be. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body, your infinite self. Slowly rope it in. Our true identity is so much greater than we can even fathom. So much bigger and broader than we can even imagine. Why try to limit ourselves? Why try to even think about it? There's so many other things to do. Thank you so much for being here with me. Use this meditation, play it over and over again to guide yourself through and create the infinite possibilities.